Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you Xbox enthusiasts out there. If you're looking to up your privacy game, especially with guests around, changing your guest pin on Xbox is a must. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest features to keep your console secure and personalized. Whether you're sharing your Xbox with family or friends, a guest pin helps control access and protect your profiles. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your main Xbox account. This is crucial because only the primary user can manage these settings. Grab your controller and head to the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Settings menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to Account or Privacy and Security, depending on your Xbox model. In 2025, Microsoft has made this even more straightforward with updated interfaces. Now, inside the Account section, look for Family and Other Users, or specifically, Guest Controls. This is where you'll find the option for Guest Pin. Select it, and you'll see a prompt to enter your current PIN if you have one set up. If not, you might be asked to create one initially. Once you're in, choose Change PIN, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to enter a new 4 to 6-digit code. Make it something memorable but secure, like a mix of numbers that aren't obvious. After you've entered and confirmed your new PIN, hit Save, and you're all set. It should take effect immediately. Pro tip: test it out by logging out and trying to access as a guest to ensure it's working properly. If you run into any issues, like the option not appearing, double-check that your Xbox is updated to the latest software version, as 2025 brings some new enhancements. Changing your guest pin is a quick way to enhance your Xbox experience, keeping your games and data safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.